Want to stake Tezos XTZ for rewards? Here is a simple step-by-step guide. First, open a trusted wallet that supports Tezos staking like Kukai, Temple, or Ledger Live. Second, deposit some your XTZ or transfer it into your wallet. Third, go into the staking or delegation section and choose a validator, also called a baker. Fourth, review their fees and reliability and rewards before selecting the one that fits your need. Fifth, click Delegate to the baker. Remember, your coins never leave your wallet, they stay safe. Seventh, rewards usually start showing up within a few cycles, typically every few days. So confirm the transaction and wait for it to be recorded on the Tezos blockchain. Eighth, you can always redelegate to another baker anytime if you want better rewards. Ninth, track your staking progress directly in your wallet or with Tezos blockchain explorers. And that's it. You're now earning passive rewards by staking Tezos XTZ safely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.